Hey guys, this is SoFlo Josh, and today, finally, Acura has confirmed to us that the Integra is coming back to the lineup. Before we start the video, let's go ahead and watch the little short teaser they gave. So the teaser really wasn't that long as a whole, but I think it gave us a little bit of what they might have interpreting for this new Integra. A lot of people are being conflicted. They don't know if it is a coupe or a sedan. Personally, I feel like it's more of a sedan due to the fact of the leaked roadmap that we got last year from the dealership, uh, the dealership Zoom call that they had with each other. So I feel as though it's going to be more of a sedan. It could also be a coupe. Maybe they might be making two different versions of it. Where they have a sedan and a coupe to make it where it's more appealing to each person who wants a sedan or a coupe. You guys also got to remember that originally the Integra also had a sedan format version of the two-door version. Ever since the first generation that came out back in '86, they had a two-door version, and when they came out with the second generation, it was also they also had a four-door version as well. So I feel as though this model is going to be more or less kind of like an entry level. They did speak, John Ikeda did speak to Motor Trend and had stated that this is not a replacement for the ILX. This is merely just an entry kind of model, a premium entry, but they're not confirming it's, the actual entry level sedan. What they came out from the leaked roadmap. I really hope it's a sedan though, in some format. I know that a lot of people like coupes, but I feel that a sedan would make sense as a volume seller, selling more to the masses. I mean, not as many young buyers nowadays buy coupes. They buy more sedans to haul around their friends, take better, have more practicality for interior space, to fit more equipment, outdoorsy stuff a little bit, depending on what they do. So I feel as though a sedan would make more sense. Now, like I mentioned, that they could offer a two-door version of the Integra, 100%. I think that they could, to make it appealing to some of the enthusiasts who have always wanted a compact luxury sedan, compact luxury coupe, my bad, from the Acura lineup for a very, very long time. So I think that it's possible, it's quite possible, and I hope to see some kind of information coming out later this year, or maybe even spy shots in the United States. We know that the Acura has been secretly testing this in Japan alongside the new Civic. So that's a case too. And one of the things I feel as though is this is not going to be its own kind of platform as what the current Acura lineup has. It started with the RDX, and they said that that platform is not anywhere near the CRV at all. And when the TLX came out, it was a completely new chassis. Nothing resembled anything of the Accord. It was a lot heavier than the Accord, of course. A lot of people know that. With the MDX, it used a new platform as well. It's going to be the new light-duty truck chassis for the next generation Pilot, Ridgeline, and the Passport, whenever those get their redesigns as well. So I don't feel it's going to be its own chassis. I feel like it's going to be running off of the exact same chassis as the new Civic, the retooled Civic hatchback specifically, because that's the more sporty oriented chassis out of the two, out of the sedan and the hatchback. So I expect some kind of details to come out later on, maybe this year. Maybe we might get a prototype, since the vehicle is going to be revealed at in spring of 2022, and since the New York Auto Show is going to be going back to the spring date that they originally had, I expect wholeheartedly that the Integra will be revealed at the New York Auto Show, or at a private showing. Could be done online. Acura is kind of been doing that since the pandemic started. But I expect 100% Acura to show something at the New York Auto Show for the Integra. But that's going to be all today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Make sure to check back on my channel. I will be posting a detailed video of the NSX Type S, talking about all the specs and my opinions on it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.